so today is Sunday, December 9th, Vlogmas day 9, and I'm currently in the car on the way to a coffee shop. But I actually have a hair appointment today, which I'm really excited about. I'm gonna get my hair re-balayaged. Not sure yet if I wanna go lighter or not. I'm kind of thinking I do. I'm excited. I'm going to a different hairstylist, but she's my cousin's hairstylist and she's my best friend Grace's hairstylist, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna go to a coffee shop before I meet Grace and Simone there. There's Grace. We've made it. There's a lot of people here tonight.
Hi guys.
What's up?
Claire, I'm really sorry about coming to your house the other day. Heard you had a good laugh about that.
She hasn't lived there in 10 years.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say she didn't laugh. So we're just like getting coffee right now. Grace is about to go back to school, so that's pretty sad. But we're all gonna go hang out for her birthday next weekend.
I'll be vlogging that.
Fun. Yeah, Erica went out last night, but she didn't vlog that much. I was trying to get her to make some clips. Make some clips, get some clips, take some clips. Okay guys, part 2 of the Erica spending money on things she doesn't need. So we go up, she's getting an oat milk vanilla latte, right? Oat milk's obviously $1, vanilla's $1. Could have brought those myself. So we're sitting here, right, and I look over and right here is oat milk. She paid $1 for it.
She is the culprit.
Even though it's right here, you could just pour it yourself. So next time, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna teach her how to, and we're gonna bring my own lavender, and we're just gonna make our own little lavender latte.
Also, we could either come in there or like get coffee or something.
Erica, how are you feeling about this?
I'm a little bit nervous because I don't know exactly what I want, but I know it's gonna look good. So, that's it. My hair one time smell.
Yeah, 500.
San Jose. Oh, it's clothing location. Dude, look at it. We're not in San Jose though.
Oh, hello, sir, in the back.
This look is free, provided by hangovers.com.
We're gonna have a lot of mimosas.
At your house?
Mm-hmm. Are you down?
Just an alcoholic.
No. Only on the weekends. Provide my condition.
Cheers.
Guys, I just got done with my hair and I'm obsessed with it. Can you guys tell? I wish I had makeup on right now, but I'm super tired. Ugh, that was a whole 3.5 hours, I think. It's 1:47 and my appointment was at 10 a.m. So I have been just sitting for a really long time, but I really, really like my hair, honestly, guys. Like, I'm so happy with it. But once I get home, I'll show you guys a better view of it, I guess. All right, guys, so this is a better look at my hair. We just did a partial balayage and we just lightened it a little bit from my like original color. I'm a big fan. We didn't do a cut because, as you guys saw in like previous Vlogmas vlog, my friend Shreya actually cut my hair a few days ago, so I didn't do a cut today, but just a little color. I feel like my hair has some life again, so I'm very happy about it. Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas day 10. I'm starting off in my car right now. I have a half day of work and then I've got a bunch of finals to do because tomorrow's the last day of the quarter. I hardly vlogged yesterday because I felt so sick in the afternoon when I got home after my hair appointment. I don't know if I'm just really actually getting sick, but I'm gonna say I'm not. I really don't want to be sick the minute I finish finals. That just doesn't sound fun to me. I have some cough drops with me. I'm gonna take some of those. Hopefully they help my throat, and I brought some of my mom's zucchini bread to try and eat. All right, guys, so I just got to work. I'm like so tired, and I was just listening to another Shaman Durek podcast. Literally, you guys, so good. You have to listen to it. It's really freaking good. Here's my very tired outfit. So my jacket's bow and arrow, my top is bow and arrow, scarf is really old, I think from H&M, jeans bow and arrow, shoes Converse, and necklace bow and arrow. Hi guys, so obviously I'm back home now. I am actually doing a group final right now, so it's a group project actually that is due tonight, and I really have to get this done. You know, even though I'm an online student, I still get group projects, and they're honestly pretty difficult sometimes because it's just hard to like communicate with everyone and like make sure everyone's on the same page, and then make sure that the project like reads smoothly, you know, because most of them are like essays and reports. So yeah, this is the life. Guys, so if you can't tell, it is much later now again, but I just finished my group project and it's all submitted and stuff, so thank goodness. I'm just so glad to be done with that final. Since I didn't get a ton of footage today, I thought I would do like a little bit of a night routine. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking off my makeup. So to remove my makeup, I'll usually use this jojoba oil just because it's pretty natural and it takes off your makeup like really easily. So I'll just put a little bit on a cotton round and just start taking off all my makeup. I used to actually use coconut oil, which I still do sometimes, honestly, especially when my skin's dry. This is the coconut oil that I will use also from time to time. My favorite moisturizer is the Ultra Repair Cream. So once I take off my makeup, then I will go ahead and apply this. Love this. I'm actually almost out. Now that's all good. And then I'm gonna brush my teeth. So this is the toothpaste I use. Cruelty-free, which is great. My stupid plastic toothbrush that I know is horrible and not sustainable, and I want a bamboo one. Alright guys, so I just took my hair out of that ponytail, and I love getting my hair done because then I don't have to wash my hair for like 3 days, and it's like the best thing ever. Good night everyone, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning guys, so today is Tuesday, December 11th, Vlogmas day 11, and I just woke up. Well, actually I woke up like 30 minutes ago, but I was just laying in bed. It's like 10 a.m. now. I let myself sleep in. I usually never sleep in past like 8:30, so I just really let myself today because I think I needed to catch up on some sleep because I was just very tired the last couple days. But I have a few things that I need to do. I have to clean my room. I have a few more homework assignments to do. But after today, I'm done with this quarter for my online classes at FITM, and I'm so ready to just not have homework to worry about for like 2.5 weeks. I think I'm gonna go and try to use our espresso machine. I have attempted to use it once before. I used the coffee beans that came with the espresso machine and they were just disgusting, so I recently got some more and I'm gonna go try to use it. Okay guys, so I've got my coffee beans right here, but as you can tell they're not grinded up, or however you say it. A life hack: if you forget to get them ground up at the coffee shop when you buy them, you can use a NutriBullet and then this little cap for it. I don't know, I think it's meant to like grind things up. I'm just gonna take a few in there, close it up, and then put it on the NutriBullet. Where did I put the NutriBullet? That's what I'm gonna use. And then you just grind them up. Nice. They're all ground up and ready to use. So I just put the ground up beans into this little gadget here. I literally don't know what like any of the parts of this espresso machine are called. Okay guys, so this is the machine, by the way. I just brewed that. That looks like a lot of espresso. I don't know if I'm gonna put that all in my latte. I poured in a good amount of this, not all of it, because this is definitely bigger than an espresso glass. So I just poured in some into here. I'm gonna add some oat milk, which isn't cold, so this might be kind of gross, but it's gonna be a hot drink anyway. And I have some vanilla syrup as well. I don't know how much of this I need to add. Crap. So I just decided to make another shot of espresso because I just remembered most lattes have 2 shots, so even that little cup wasn't enough, or at least like it only filled my cup halfway. But I put in some of this vanilla and the oat milk, and guys, it's pretty damn good. I'm really excited about this because that means that I will save so much money on coffee. Like, this is the greatest news, okay? I buy coffee lattes all the time, so this is gonna be a more sustainable and practical way to drink coffee. All right guys, look at this. It's all done. My vanilla latte. I microwaved it a little bit just because it wasn't hot enough. I think I need to even put in a little bit more, but I can't believe it. I did it. I learned how to use the espresso machine. Well, actually I learned it last time, but this time it actually tastes good because I got the right kind of coffee beans. So that just goes to show how much that just goes to show how much coffee beans actually matter. But I think I'm gonna go chill outside for a little bit because it's so nice out and I love my backyard. Back in the fall, I actually used to come out here a lot in the mornings and do meditation and yoga out here because it was always so beautiful in the mornings and it wasn't ever A, really cold, or B, wet. My backyard has always just been one of my favorite places to be, so I'm just gonna sit out here for a little bit and then I'll go inside and start on some homework. Okay, so it's actually a little bit later now and I just got ready. I showered and did my makeup. So I'm actually headed to Bow and Arrow right now because I have to do an interview with my cousin Mercedes for one of my classes. Actually, it's my studies and leadership final. I just have to interview like a manager, leader, person that I know, so I'm gonna interview her. But yeah, so I'm running a little bit late, so I'm gonna go ahead and drive over there. My outfit is just super casual. Necklace is from Bow and Arrow, top is Free People, cardigan is Bow and Arrow, jeans Free People, and shoes Converse. Okay guys, so I just left the store and I interviewed Mercedes and I think it went pretty well. Now I just have to go home and edit it and get that finished and uploaded so I can submit it as my final. Can't wait till it's all done. Hi guys, so it is actually the next day and I didn't really vlog that much yesterday. I feel like these last couple days I haven't been the best vlogger. That's why I decided to combine 3 days into one vlog because I just feel like I didn't like collect as much footage as I would have wanted to. I think I mentioned briefly that I wasn't feeling well one of the days, but I haven't been feeling 100% this last week, I would say, both physically and just mentally as well. This morning I woke up and I have like a really gross like sore throat, it feels like I'm starting to get, and I think it's just I've just been like accumulating the symptoms these past couple days. Maybe that's the reason that I've also felt like mentally like not 100% either, because I've just been doubting myself a lot lately and I don't know, not my best. So I apologize if these vlogs aren't as great as they could be. My arm's getting tired, but I just haven't been feeling 100%, and maybe I like shouldn't vlog, and I'm still deciding if I'm gonna vlog today because it is my brother's birthday and we're gonna go to the city. I don't know if I should just like take a little break from vlogging or what, but I feel like this happens to me like every time that I decide to do Vlogmas. There's always like a few days in the middle of the month where I just start to doubt myself and like, should I even be vlogging? Like, does anyone actually watch? Like, you know, like those kinds of things and stuff. So yeah, I feel like I'm just in one of those moods, and then getting sick is really not ideal right now. Just trying to be real, like I haven't been feeling 100%, which like I feel like I usually am, you know? So just wanted to let you guys know that, but thank you all still for supporting me and for watching the vlogs and stuff, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.